Hello everyone. Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss briefly about measures of central tendency. So, in measures of central tendency, there are the 5 measures of central tendency that are in common use. First one is known as the arithmetic mean. Second one is the median. Third one is the mode, and fourth one is the geometric mean and harmonic mean. So in this video, we'll discuss about arithmetic mean, how to calculate arithmetic mean for group data set only. If we have ungrouped data set, then simply, as we know, sum of the total number of observation divided by number of observation, we can calculate arithmetic mean. But problem is that once we have a group data, then how will calculate it? So let's have one example. So in this example, we have a frequency distribution. Suppose we have a 200 students and group of the IQ level of the student is given. So in this question, there are 11 students which IQ level belongs between 90 to 100, and 27 students IQ lies between 100 to 110, and there are 36 students which IQ level is 110 to 120, and there are 38 students whose IQ level is 120 to 130. There are 43 students IQ level is 130 to 140, and 28 students IQ level 140 to 150, are 150 to 160, 16 students 160 to 170. So this data is totally hypothetical. So here I have written IQ. It may be systolic blood pressure, and systolic blood pressure, 11 students systolic blood pressure lies between these, 27 lies between 100 to 110, 36 lies between 1 to 120. So likewise, we have one group data set. Now our aim is to calculate arithmetic mean. So how we'll calculate it? Let's understand. So suppose, as you know, we in a questions, this first column is given and second column is given already. Now, as we know, the formula for mean for group data set, which is summation I equal to 1 to n fx divided by summation I equal to 1 to n fi. So we can see here summation fx, x is required, but in question f column is given and x is not given. So first step, we have to find out this mid value x columns. How we'll get the mid value? We'll take the first column, class interval, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 will get 95. Here 100 plus 110 divided by 2 will get 105. Here 110 plus 120 divided by 2 will get 115. Here 120 plus 130 divided by 2 will get 125. 130 plus 140 divided by 2 will get 135, and likewise this lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 will get 145, 155 and 165 corresponding mid value. Now according to formula, we required summation fx. So f multiply x, so these current corresponding this multiply this, 27 multiply 100, 105 will get this value, 36 multiply 115 will get this value, 38 multiply 125 will get this one, 43 multiply 135 will get this one, 28 multiply this 145 will get this value, 16 multiply 115 will get this value, and 1 multiply 165 will get this value, and then we'll sum up, or we'll add all the values, then we'll get the 25280. So according to formula, we'll have a summation fx. So we'll put this value here, 25280, and summation I equal to 1 to n fn. So here n will add all these frequencies, which is 200, and will divide by 200. So, and we'll get finally this value 126. So according to questions, if we are taking IQ level or systolic blood pressure, we can say on an average systolic blood pressure is 126 in given data set. So this is the simple way for calculation of mean for group data sets. Always clear mean for group data set, and if we have ungrouped data set, then we have to understand how to calculate, as I said. So this is about all. Thank you everyone.